Hello there, this is Kevin Benedict, Independent Mobility Analyst and SAP Mentor, reporting live from SAP Insider's Mobile 2012 event. I'm here with Roger Newby from Sky Technologies. Roger, thanks for joining us today.
Glad to be here, Kevin. Thanks for offering.
Yeah, so why don't you tell me, Roger, Sky Technologies, I've seen your name around, you're veterans in the SAP mobility space. Why don't you just share with us some of the things that you've done within the SAP community?
Well, certainly. Sky is really the most veteran organization in terms of mobilizing SAP customers and SAP capability. We've been around over 12 years, 300 different projects all around SAP, doing everything from warehouse implementations onto the mobile extensions out to all the new mobile devices. We support all the mobile OSs, all the devices. You can develop once and deploy across any number of those devices instantaneously with our technology.
So how important is it being an expert in SAP to your strategy?
Well, that's a really important question that you ask, because today in mobility there's quite a range between very simple solutions that do simple, quick things, and those are good. But when you get to an enterprise level program, you're looking more often at implementations that have to integrate to a very complex data schema within the ERP installation, because it's all about extending that ERP installation securely to a mobile worker who's also a worker on the desktop side. The mobile experience is different. People do their work differently. It's kind of the 80-20 rule. You're looking for not all of the app on the mobile device, but more importantly, just the pieces that you typically do need or ordered differently. Data validation, data security, all these issues are important in terms of really building a true enterprise app, which is at the other end of the spectrum from the simple, quick and easy, pre-built app store type of apps that also have their place.
Now, in walking around the exhibition floor here, there's a number of other mobility vendors within the SAP community and ecosystem. What is it that makes you guys different, and kind of what's unique about Sky Technologies?
Well, I think I would again stress that experience factor. We've seen and done so many kinds of things over the years with different versions of SAP, different modules within SAP, and extending that out to different types of devices in different ways for different kinds of customers. We, again, look at more of the complex, detailed, fully integrated type of an application, although today we're announcing here at the event our new cloud offering, which will allow for much more quick deployments of simpler, arguably simpler applications. And I think one of the messages too is for organizations to just get started. We are a MEP, we're a mobile enterprise application platform. We integrate with SAP, and with the new SUP platform coming, it's all integrated and coexisting nicely, but it's important for companies to get moving. With our technology, the corporate environment or the corporate group also gets access to the development tools themselves, and we're seeing finally at this level in the mobility evolution that you and I both know about, that corporations are finally really staffing up because they have to. This mobility thing is not going away. It's hugely valuable. Here's a way they can take control with us leading and teaching and showing how that first project works, but then taking control of their own destiny thereafter.
So Roger, one of the challenges with frameworks and MEPs is that they often limit people to particular kinds of applications. How have you guys tried to mitigate that by giving people flexibility?
Well, we've separated out the interface management platform, and it today offers, of course, very easy integration to SAP, but using web services, we can integrate really to any back-end structure or other back-end operations. So today's software, as we all know, with the evolution that's occurred, is much more facilitating of that type of easy integration. I shouldn't say easy. Nothing's ever really truly easy, but certainly very doable, put it that way.
Great. Roger, I want to thank you very much for sharing with the audience today.